In this video, let's learn how to use the Quick Start drag and drop interactions and Quick Start click and reveal interactions in a step-by-step e-learning course with Adobe Captivate 2019. You will need to follow 4 simple steps to create a step-by-step or process e-learning course. Step 1 is to import Quick Start slides into your new project. During Step 2, you will assign the correct answers to the drag and drop questions. Then you will modify the process slides found in the Quick Start project library under the Assets panel. And finally, you will publish the step-by-step course. Let's start with the first step. Open a new blank project in Adobe Captivate 2019. Be sure to set the initial size to 1024 by 627. Use the Asset button from the toolbar to locate Sample Drag and Drop Slides. Type Drag into the search bar under the Projects panel to see the sample slides for drag and drop interactions. You can also build your own drag and drop slides from scratch. Select the Drag and Drop Interaction 2 from the Earth series. Then select the button to insert one slide. The sample drag and drop interaction slide will appear in your project. Let's alter the target text descriptions to match our office personnel. I've named each to match the photos, but now I realize the activity will be too simple, so I want to mix them up. No problem, I'll take the images from the library and drag them onto the images on the stage. This will let me swap images and scramble the answers at the same time. In the second step, you will tell Captivate what the correct answers should be. To begin, select the Drag and Drop panel in the Property Inspector. Select the eye icon on the top right and ensure that there is no red slash across the eye. This will make the associations between drag objects and drop targets visible. Now let's fix those by clicking and dragging the arrowheads from the drag objects onto their correct drop targets. You can always verify this association in the Options panel under the Set Correct Answers button. Finally, alter the text instructions and your slide is ready to go. During Step 3, you will modify a process or step-by-step Quick Start slide to create your own custom step-by-step interaction. Most process interactions are taking advantage of multiple states in Captivate. Let's look at this interaction once to understand what it does first. When I play the slide, each step has a rollover state that highlights to indicate that it is interactive. When the learner clicks the text button, a panel appears over the top of the slide that gives an image and details about that particular step. This image and text are different for each step in the process. To alter the steps, we can first edit the text in each box on the main slide. But now we need to see the pop-up slides. On the timeline, we will find a set of hidden slides, and we can make them visible by clicking the eyeball on the timeline over the group of slides. Now select the text area with details about the first step. In the Properties Inspector, we will click on the State View button. This will show us thumbnails for the text in each of the 6 steps. By selecting any of these steps in the State thumbnails on the left, we can then edit the text for each step on the right. Images work the same way. Finally, we can publish this project using the Publish menu from the toolbar and selecting Publish, Publish to Computer.